Hello friends, welcome to Geros Forex Academy. In this channel, you get the best Forex, binary options, cryptocurrency related strategies and the most accurate signal in our VIP Signal Telegram channel. Don't think the VIP Signal channel is paid. It is free for you. All link is in the pinned comment section. You can see my account is verified and I hide this area because there is my email address. You can see here I draw a horizontal line. This is highly key point of price. This is called resistance become support in price action language. That's why I invest $50 in call or buy option. Cause I am 85% sure price will be go up from this area. Don't think I have 10k balance in my account, that is why I do it. No my friends, some of key level are high accuracy, just it's. In the end of this video for you have some special things that you should need, so till the end watch the video how I am trade, and in last of the video you will get a very special things. It may change your financial life. There is 30-second expiration time, so to save your time and video duration I pause the video in some portions. Wow! In $50 of investment total I make a profit of $93. That is why I told that crucial point is a highly accurate zone in price action language. You see I enter a put or sell entry on the same key level, and also you can see parabolic SOR is in downward momentum. Wow! Again make $18 profit of $10 of investment. In our further videos, you can see my live trading and I will discuss how you can win more time and make a huge profit in Forex or binary options. Again I enter a $10 put or sell entry, let's see what will happen. Maybe I will lose on this trade. If I lose in this trade no matter previously I marked a huge profit, and yes I lose only $10. No matter, I know how can recover the loss with the profit. You can see now I am taking a $25 put or sell entry at the same key point that I told you about previously. Let's see now what will be in the future. Now I will show you the double top and its neckline. Previously mentioned reason I take this entry with $25. Yes, boom, and I make $46 of $25 investment. It's called price action pure strategy. I will take another entry. I set up 14 SMA and MACD, don't use MACD. You can only use SMA and parabolic SOR, but behind the main fact is price action. In the next video, I will teach you advanced price action strategies. Just subscribe and push the all notification icon. Like the video. If you find any helpful things in the video, don't upset me. 5 seconds left. Let's see. Oh yeah, boom, I make another $46 profit. These are special things for you that I told previously starting of the video. Must read the pinned post. In this Telegram channel, you will get our trading specialist signal. Just join our Telegram signal channel, you will be surprised to see our results. All our real-time signals. Only via Telegram signals do we make over $400 plus profit. Link in the first comment and also in our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the full video. I will happy if press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next educational video. watching the full video. I will happy if press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next educational video.